is going to become the daughter-in-law of this family. All thanks to her Lord Krishna.
These people can go to any extent to get what they want. I am feeling restless.
Gungun used to hate Radha. But steadily, Radha managed to win over her.
Mother, I'm glad that you are back. I was wondering what Aunt Kaveri was up to. What new tricks will she play now?
Pumpkin managed to save the day today. But I need to find a permanent solution for this, Radha.
We have a reason to be happy. Then, what are you so worried about? Did Aunt Kaveri say something to you?
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you all. Actually, a journalist had called me today. He wants to interview Radha and Mohan today. He wants to know how they saved Gungun.
Oh, Lord Krishna, what was I mumbling? Thankfully, Aunt Kadambari was in deep sleep.
No. I will not let my son's love be sacrificed for Damini's madness.
Lord Krishna, I have started chanting Mohan's name even in my sleep. I have gone completely mad. And Mohan? He is hell-bent on finding out what I told him the other day in the garden. Please do something.
Mom, I feel my happiness is ruined. I will not be able to marry Mohan.
Why do you say this, Damini?
What else do I say? Don't you see? Radha and Mohan have grown so close. Ever since they have saved Gungun, they seem to have become a family. It feels like Radha is Gungun's mother. I tried so hard to become Gungun's mother, Mom. But Gungun never let me get close to her. Perhaps I could not become a good person like her, Mom.
Please don't say this, my dear.
It is true, Mom. I am telling you, even if Mohan does not love Radha, he will choose her for Gungun's sake. Mohan will choose Radha. I should back off, Mom. Radha and Mohan are absolutely perfect for each other.
Is it that you will sacrifice your love once again?
Yes, Mom. I will do it for Mohan. But one thing is for sure. I don't have the strength to go through this pain again. If I don't get married to Mohan this time, I will die for sure, Mom. I will die,
My dear.
So this is what you and your mother are planning. Radha, don't fall for their lies. They are only saying this so that you can hear it. Please don't fall for their lies, Radha. Radha!
Wow! So this year's Best Actress Award goes to my daughter Damini.
Didn't I tell you, Mom, that Radha's goodness is her kryptonite? And I'm sure now you have understood why I had emptied the water bottle. Now you will see. She will feel bad that she's coming between Mohan and me. And she will herself get out of Mohan's way. Problem solved.
I will have to do something. Otherwise, Radha will really fall into their trap.
Lord Krishna, what was I going to do?
Radha, the mother and daughter are only pretending. Please don't believe them.
I was going to make a huge mistake, Lord Krishna. How can I love Mohan? I have no right over Mohan. Mohan is engaged to Sister Damini. Mohan, only Sister Damini has a right over Mohan.
No, Radha. Only you have a right over Mohan and no one else.
No. I was being unfair to Sister Damini.
It is Damini who is doing injustice. Radha, you are in the right. You are innocent. You are good at heart. You are so pure-hearted that you're falling into Damini's trap.
Please guide me, Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna, if the mother and daughter duo can lie to make their plan work, then I need to be the beacon of truth because I know what you want, Lord.
You perform your bounden duty, for action is superior to inaction. Even the maintenance of the body would not be possible for you by inaction. This means do your duties because action is superior to inaction. This means right now my duty is to confess my feelings to Mohan. Lord Krishna, is this your signal? Do you also want that I should confess my feelings to Mohan?
Yes, Radha. Lord Krishna wants the same.
What are you saying, Grandma?
Until today, I was under the impression that your love will weaken you, that it will lead you to humiliation. But now I have understood that your love is not your weakness, but your strength. And yes, I truly believe that Mohan loves you too. Let's go, Radha.
Radha will not go anywhere. I, Mohan Trivedi, take oath in front of all of you with Lord Krishna as my witness that Radha will be my responsibility.
So your love is not one-sided.
Really, Grandma?
Yes, Radha.
But, Grandma, what about Sister Damini? Am I not doing injustice to her?
No, dear. No injustice is happening to Damini. A marriage without any love can benefit nobody.
Still, Grandma,
Don't you completely trust Lord Krishna? So you should also follow his teachings. Do your duty, but don't concern yourself with the result. This is what the Bhagavad Gita teaches. No matter what, one thing is certain, Radha. You have all the right to confess your feelings to Mohan. And Mohan definitely deserves to know how you feel. Because I know one thing very well. Lord Krishna doesn't do anything without reason. Yes, Radha, your grandma is right. Just talk to Mohan once.
You are right, Grandma. I should go and confess my feelings to Mohan.
I thought Radha and her grandma would leave after listening to what I said. But I think they won't leave so easily. Both of them will have to pay for what grandma has done today.
Damini. Radha loves Mohan. She will be heartbroken.
And what about me, mother? What about my love? Radha's love is childishness. It is just the effect of her age. I have waited for 12 years for Mohan. And I can't wait anymore. Do you understand?
Damini, why do you forget that Mohan is only marrying you for Gungun's sake? He does not love you.
So just because Radha got Gungun on her side, I don't stand a chance.
No, no.
Fine, mother. No problem. As you wish, mother.
Thank you, Damini. Thank you. Damini! Damini! What? What did you do? What did you do?
Mother, if I don't marry Mohan, I will kill myself. I have no reason to live if Mohan is not in my life.
No.
Mother, please don't cry. Everything will be fine. I will keep Mohan happy, believe me. You just do exactly what I am saying to do. Because this lies in our family's best interest. This is good for you as well as for Mohan. Will you do as I say? Good.
The way A veena is incomplete without its strings. The way a flute is incomplete without Lord Krishna's melodies. Similarly, I am incomplete without you. When I met you for the first time, I never thought that one day I would realize that I am in love with you. I never thought that one day my devotion for you would turn into love. But today, I realize that what I have been feeling for you all along is love. That's it. I'm going to tell you how I feel. Oh Lord Krishna, what I am going to do today, no matter what the result is, or no matter what Mohan says to me, please give me the strength to bear it. I just want that my feelings reach him, Lord Krishna. Until today, I have only picked flowers for Lord Krishna. But today, for the first time, I have picked a flower for Mohan too.
Go, Radha. Go and confess your feelings to Mohan.
Look, Mohan, I am here. I left all my relationships behind to start a new relationship with you. Until now, I chanted your name like Meera. But now, I will love you like Radha. Even if the world turns against me and I lose everyone I love, but I will never leave your side. Mohan?
Radha? I am glad you are also here. I wanted to share a piece of good news with you. The priest has finalized Mohan and Damini's wedding date. The wedding is in 2 weeks.
No! What are you doing, mother?
But mom, all of a sudden.
Mohan, what is so sudden about it? Everyone knows that we are going to get married. Now, I can't wait any longer.
Please forgive me, dear. I know that you would be the best life partner for Mohan and the best mother for Gungun. There is no one better than you. But I have to do this for the sake of Mohan.
Anyway, a lot of things have been happening in our family. Our wedding kept getting postponed, Mohan. Now I want to become Mrs. Mohan Trivedi. Am I right, mother? Mohan Trivedi's fiancée Damini didn't immolate herself. She was murdered. His new lover Radha. Mohan Trivedi's fiancée Damini. Will Mohan Trivedi escape punishment this time? Mohan Trivedi was Damini's fiancé, but he murdered her. Mother?
Yes. Anyways, we have to hurry up. Now look, I am getting on in years. Take yesterday for instance. I am afraid that I might not live to see you getting married.
What are you saying, mom?
Fine, I won't talk about it. So why don't you agree to marry Damini? Say yes, dear.
Okay, mom. As you wish.
Thank you, mother.
After many years, my wish has finally come true. my son Mohan and Damini are getting married. I couldn't have found anyone better for Mohan than Damini. She is educated, smart, and takes care of everyone at home. You are a match made by Lord Krishna himself. Am I right, Radha?
Yes, Aunt Kadambari. Sister Damini is destined to be with Mohan. Lord Krishna has united them.
Mother, I very well know that you don't believe what you are saying either. Mother, you can lie, but your eyes can't. Then why are you saying all this?
Oh Lord, though it took time, but I will be able to see my daughter as a bride. Within 2 weeks, my daughter and Mohan will get married. Hey, distribute sweets to everyone and give it to me also.
Yes, Mom.
I am such a fool. I wanted to touch the moon while staying on the ground. Mohan, I made a mistake. Instead of praying to my Lord, I wanted to make him mine. How could I not have my heart broken?
I managed to get Pumpkin under control, Mom. Now I have to get Radha under control. She's madly in love with Mohan so much. Mom, it's time to teach her a lesson now. And after that, it is Tulsi's turn. I have to do something about her. She won't let me marry Mohan at any cost, Mom.
Yeah, but in all this mess, don't forget that Gungun.
How could I forget her, Mom? She's at the top of my hit list.
This wedding won't take place. Do you think that I will let this wedding take place? I won't let this wedding happen.
Are you crying?
No, sister.
Really? Aren't you crying because you love Mohan? Don't lie, Radha. I know very well that you love Mohan so much. Though you might not confess your feelings for him verbally, I can see the love you have for him in your eyes. How could you betray me like that, Radha? I did so much for you. I allowed you to stay in this house and did everything for you like a sister. And what did you do in return? Hey, Mohan did so much for you, and you stayed by Mohan's side all day long, yet I didn't say a word to you. Because I had faith that you would never betray me. But you turned out to be a thief and a cheat.
No, Sister Damini.
Quite. Not another word. Actually, I am blamed for this. It is my fault because I never said anything to you. You stayed by Mohan's side and kept calling him your god. And you trapped him in such a way that Mohan started hugging you and carrying you in his arms. You call Mohan your god, but you try to seduce him under the pretext of being his devotee. Mohan takes care of you just because you take care of Gungun. Because you saved Gungun's life a couple of times, that's it. You can show concern for the maid who takes care of his daughter. You can help the maid or give her some money. But you can never love her. These crocodile tears won't work on me, Radha. And if these tears are real, then you were truly wronged. Because one-sided love only brings tears. You know, if Mohan finds out about your feelings, he will throw you out of this house immediately. Mohan will never love you, Radha. Never. Anyway, you are not needed in this house anymore. It will be better if you leave this house at the earliest.
Tulsi, please. I don't want to talk to you right now. Please leave me alone.
Why, Mother? Why did you make such a decision? You know that Radha is the perfect mother for Gungun. She's a perfect life partner for Mohan. Despite knowing everything, why did you decide to get Mohan and Damini married? Radha is the right girl for Mohan, not Damini. Why are you getting them married?
Mother? Thank you so much, Mother.
This is what happened. Damini compelled you to make this decision. I knew it. This mother and daughter are behind everything. But no, I won't let them succeed this time. Never!
You finally made the right decision.
What are you doing here? Go away from here.
But Mother...
Damini? Tulsi, leave her! Tulsi! Tulsi! Tulsi, leave her! Tulsi! Tulsi, leave her alone!
No, mother. I won't let her destroy Mohan's life again. I won't let her come between Radha and Mohan.
Tulsi, she will die, Tulsi! Tulsi, let Damini go for the sake of Gungun! Stop it, Tulsi, stop it now! Only because of you, I was about to make such a huge mistake today. Damini is the right girl for my dear son Mohan. How long? How long will you keep threatening and intimidating us? You are already dead. You have left this house. For our sake, leave us alone. Leave this house. Go away.
I won't leave, mother. I won't go anywhere until I fill Gungun and Mohan's life with happiness once again. I won't go anywhere. And I won't let you make this mistake again, mother. I thought that you and I would fill this house with happiness. But today, you broke all my hopes, mother. Mother, you don't know Damini. She can go to any extent.
Leave us. Please go away.
Mom, I'm letting her off at your behest. But I will not let her accomplish her goals.
Damini? Damini? Are you all right? Just wait. Let me get you some water.
Very good, mother. I didn't know that your old daughter-in-law obeyed you so much now. Fine. So starting from today, you will deal with Tulsi for me.
The priest has finalized Mohan and Damini's wedding date. The wedding is in 2 weeks.
You call Mohan your god, but you try to seduce him, Radha. You can show concern for the maid who takes care of his daughter. You can help the maid or give her some money also. But you can never love her.
Radha.
Yes, Mohan.
What happened?
No, nothing.
I can see that you have been avoiding me lately. What happened? If there is something bothering you, tell me.
What? Not at all.
What's in your hand?
To date, I have only plucked flowers for Lord Krishna, but this is The first time I choose a flower for Mohan. Nothing.
What's in your hand?
I just said it's nothing.
What are you hiding? Show me.
It's nothing, Mohan.
This. Why are you walking around with a rose? You. Did you fall in love with someone? You brought this rose for him, right? Who do you want to give this rose to? Tell me. You can tell me at least, Radha.
Tell him, Radha. This is your chance. Tell Mohan that you brought this rose only for him.
It's for you.
Your hand is bleeding, Radha.
I went to pluck the rose. There were thorns too.
But where are you going?
Actually,
Where?
Radha is going back home, Mohan.
Mother, this isn't time to be quiet. Because if you stay quiet, then Radha won't leave this house. And if Radha doesn't leave, this wedding won't take place. Even an occultist black magic isn't so powerful. You managed to mesmerize Mohan so soon.
Ouch!
Mohan, this is what was left to be heard. That Radha has become your need. You have to learn to live without Radha.
if they stayed here, they must have left something behind, right?
Lord Krishna never supports sinners. The fraud forgot his box here while leaving this place.